Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen clearly. Today is 29th December. So I'd like us to start off with on our screen. This is EURUSD. As I mentioned yesterday, this chart is in an active downtrend. You can see that the price continues to move to the lower side. We have a very good zone. We had a zone here. So I'll start from this point because it's better to understand where the price was previously before we move forward to what is currently happening. So we have another one. We have another zone. Yeah. And then we have another zone, bottom. This. So this is what we are seeing so far. We have like some shape here. This was a contracting wedge formation. And the price broke below it. It continued down. It formed an expanding wedge formation. Then it continued even lower. Then it formed a contracting wedge formation. So as I mentioned yesterday, we are still looking for a sell on this chart. If you are with us here yesterday, you could have taken a sell while the price was somewhere around this area here. We still expect a break below this zone, the lower trend line. If that happens, then that means the price may likely continue to the lower side, which means we'd like to see a break below this level 1.1129 so that we pick even more sell positions. If the price can go below and break below this point, then that would mean we are now continuing to the lower side. My next symbol is the GBP USD. So this is also bearish. We have an active downtrend. I'm going to use an indicator to analyze this. Sorry, not that indicator. So I'm going to change the appearance of the background on this chart. I'm going to make it black so that we're able to see clearly exactly what I'm referring to. But only for this chart we're going to do this. We're going to use a black background. So look at what's happening on this set. You can see that there's a bunch of waves they are forming. It's like the price, the bands move down, this high here. They move down, they try to go up, they move down, they try to go up, they move down, they try to go up, and then they move down. And as you're speaking now, you can see that they're actually trying to go up. So what this means is that the price may likely continue to the lower side in the near future, but we still do expect some movements to the upper side. The two lines which you have on us, which you're seeing on my screen, the red line, those are actually not my lines. They are the bid price. I mean, they were the bid price and the ask price and the last price. So based on this indicator, we are sellers. We are looking for sell positions. If we see a signal around this area here, then that would mean we're now looking for a sell position. So we just want to see what happens if the price continues to move up and touches this upper line, then we see an arrow similar to the one we have here, then that would give us the correct place to look for a sell position. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is bullish. I think this indicator looks really good. Maybe I like to keep it and use it also for this chart, the one I'm looking at now. So this is an active uptrend. You can see that the price is moving upwards just as we forecasted yesterday. But we are looking forward to a possible continuation much higher, at least up to the green line which I've drawn here. If the price touches that green line but does not clearly break and close above it, then that should act as a good place to look for a sell from. And if the price breaks beyond it, then that would mean we're now continuing much higher. So basically, we are in an active uptrend. We are looking for more buy positions. If the price comes and touches this upper line, then that would mean we're now sellers. My next symbol is the SP 500. So the SP 500 so far, as I mentioned, as I keep saying, we are in an active uptrend. There are no signs for selling this symbol. We are, despite the fact that the price is actually touching the upper line, unless an arrow shows up, which I don't think an arrow will show up, we are in an uptrend. So keep looking for buy positions. Wait for price to pull back at least up to this lower band, then you pick a buy position. So if the price comes back down and touches this line here, then that should act as a good place to look for a buy from. The next symbol is gold. So gold so far, it looks like the price is consolidating. You can see that we had some active uptrend here. Then there was an active downtrend, and the price is currently within this shape. So what this means is that as long as the price is held somewhere in between this area, we are looking for a sell position from the upper band, the buy for position from the lower band. So we'll buy when the price touches the lower band and sell when the price touches the upper band. That's what we're waiting for. There's a level here. We do have a very good resistance level there. Have another level. Yeah. So these are the places that should the price touch these places, then we expect a rebound from those areas. Or if the price breaks above any of those areas, then that would mean you're now continuing in that direction. So that should be it for today. Sorry, I'd like us to look at one more chart. Let us look at Brent oil. The Brent oil so far, it looks like the price keeps touching the upper band and the lower band, and as we're speaking now, the price is moving up and is headed towards the upper band. So if the price touches this upper band but does not break below above it, and then we see like we see something like an arrow from the top, then that would mean we are now sellers. But as it is now, the buy which you took here is still the one we are holding on to. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the center. Thank you and see you.